the pieces that you gave, betrayed in a way. Often I'm stuck on my back. How could you do this? We've been through this for a while. Once secure, now it's just gone. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? She gave me a lesson not to go and die, but I already died. To latch myself out of your space, far away, until the distance passes. It's like it's a new journey. My heart has had enough of pain. Once a fool, now I'm away. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? You gave me a lesson not to go and die, 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 not to go. But I already died.
Performance by News Populer Remix.
Like I should. When in dark to walk around the neighborhood, feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand but hold your balance. I just say whatever cause there is no way you're back. And everyone falls down sometimes.
throw away the pieces that you gave. Betrayed in a way, often I'm stuck on my back. How could you do this? We've been through this for a while. Once secure, now she's gone. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? She gave me a lesson not to go and die, but I already died. To latch myself out of your space, far away, until the distance passes its line. It's a new journey, my heart has had enough of pain. Once a fool, now I'm away. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? You gave me a lesson not to go and die, 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 not to go. But I already died. That you gave, betrayed in a way, often I'm stuck on my back. How could you do this? We've been through this for a while. Once secure, now she's gone. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? She gave me a lesson not to go and die, but I already died. To latch myself out of your space, far away, until the distance passes its line. It's a new journey, my heart has had enough of pain. Once a fool, now I'm away. Hold me not, give me back my mind. My thoughts that you're taking stop me to care. Could the night help me shut you out? You gave me a lesson not to go and die, 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 not
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. Yeah. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they're giving them your not, think it's